and here's a whistle, and I'm gonna just blow it for a second and do all the different sounds that it can make. Then here's my choo-choo whistle. And then here's my superhero ball. It has both of my superheroes in it. I just put it in like that. Here's Superman, Superman's right here. And then there's another superhero, but I don't remember his name. And here's a recorder, and I'm just gonna play it. And here's my swimming trunks.